And then what I found here is this one. What is the use of this one? Why you have big Vaseline here? For That's why. This guy.
More material. No.
So this is father's cabin. Yo, what's up, man? Thank you for inviting me in your cabin.
Yes, sir. What I can do for you, sir?
So I need to check your cabin.
Huh?
Ay, sorry. Hey, sorry.
What you like to check our cabin, sir?
I need to remove my sleeper as so this. See, all of those guys are my Indonesian friends. So this is the one that's close to my cabin.
Yes, I'm the friend Charlie Cabins. What I can do for you, sir?
So I need to check yeah.
Which one, sir?
You have you have a lot of things here.
Which one, sir?
You have Jack Daniels.
Ah,
Jack Daniels. Ay, these ones are expensive.
no, very cheap it on this one, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm sure you have
This one
also
cheap, sir.
you have also Shiwishi.
Kain na, sir.
Shiwishi. This kay. Ado, you have big Nutella here, yung
Yes, yung.
Ha?
Yes, yung. You like yung?
Adro. Hi. This one is how many kilos is this one?
I buy before in
See?
in LA, I think. In LA yung.
Ado, is very big. How many kilos? 3 kilogram.
Very heavy yung.
Ay, what is this? I think you have the same you have this some of perfumes, and then same on Agus cabin. This one?
Indonesian style oil.
What for is this?
This one for you feel Red Bull. This one just put like this. Yeah. This one natural oil. Herbal.
Natural oil from
Herbal.
Indonesia.
Yeah, Indonesian.
What is the name?
Minyak tawon. Oil tawon. Oil tawon.
Oil tawon.
Yeah, oil tawon.
So this one is good.
Yeah, it's
Good
good,
for
for,
the
your
body.
for your body. You feel
But
Pinball.
you did not get open.
already open this one.
Yeah.
Massage, sir.
This one is for massage, sir.
For massage, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
very good. You have very good cabinet here, sir.
We have very too much food, sir. Here,
Ado.
sir.
This bed is very good. You bring this one from home?
Yeah, from at home, sir. For myself, so that I didn't use in the ship, sir.
All right. How come, sir? Hey, when I speak to your paisano there, always like this.
Sorry.
No, this guy, this one will, your girlfriend will watch.
I don't have girlfriend.
Your fiancé, I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Your, yeah, itu.
Inside, sir. Pulutan, sir. Kain na, sir.
No, it's okay.
Kain na. No.
Hey.
I open already. Stand by already.
No,
stand
it's
by
okay.
Long time ago for you, sir.
No, I already eat. So
Are you sure?
thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome, sir. Do you know? I'm waiting you almost 10 minutes, sir.
Hey, how come 10 minutes? I've been here
When?
5 minutes ago.
Are you sure?
Oh, this one is Royal Princess ship. What do we call this one? Huh?
Miniatur, no miniatur.
What's that minyato? This one is your language,
Kapal.
Kapal.
Yeah. Kapal ba? Yeah. This one,
English.
uh,
The English of this one.
sorry, because long time already in LA, no? We cannot speak Indonesian anymore. What call this one?
think ba?
No matter, nice. I forget ang kalimutan yung. I don't know, I forget. Important, this is the miniature from the seat.
So,
What else, sir?
what else? Anything special here, sir?
Nothing special, sir.
Nothing special. It's very clean, very good, well organized. Well organized here. Also the cabinet. Hey,
For me, this one, sir.
ha, Mami.
Yes.
100%.
1,000%.
He put here. Yeah.
Yes, get all.
Also from here.
This is our.
This yours. Almost going home, ah.
Yes, sir. After
Alright.
you,
Tell me.
I will prepare my luggage.
But me, I didn't prepare my luggage.
That's
So from here, hello, we have hand soap, some tissue, uy,
coffee, sir.
coffee, coffee, and then,
Shampoo.
clear,
Yes, sir. Belong pa me, sir.
sir, alright, it's good. I found in Agos cabin is same already to his hair with this head and shoulder.
Yeah, you see. Nothing ka balakumba. More balakumba. More balakumba.
Pentin.
Yeah, Pentin.
All these things, some tools, some Uy, you're using pants. Let me see if it's already yeah, there is a proof. There is a proof.
Before my skin like this, sir. After use this, what call this one?
Pants.
Pure, pond pure white, and then my skin coming like this now. Before like this, and then now after and before.
And this one is product of
I think Thailand, sir.
Thailand.
Yes.
Hey, don't call me sir. How come?
Yo! Come back to channel, Charlie, yo!
Yeah, no. You don't have anything here inside your cabin. What else?
Nothing, sir.
There's nothing. Maybe you hide everything.
Still quarantine the seat, sir. We cannot buy
Oh.
something.
Some head and shoulder, some shampoo. Okay, I think it's already here. Some
Deodorant.
deodorant that he's using. Now almost still full. What else? This one, yung what is this for?
This is for her, sir. For make smooth the hair. Like oil, this one with vitamin.
For real.
Yes, sir. If you would like to just try, sir, open. Just like this. Press in your hand.
And then you put in your head.
Yeah.
This one is natural, like that you put in your head. You will not wash anymore.
No.
Alright. So all hair types, it's okay. Even your hair is curly or your hair is almost coming out.
No.
Hey, this guy have a secret. That's why coming like this. And also light for shave. And hey, this one is the
For eyes.
for the eyes.
Yes. If your eyes are right, you can use this using this one so that it can neutral again. Neutral.
So make if you have a red eye,
The name
insto
Insto.
regular.
Yeah.
Alright. Normally we get red eyes from working also, so if we feel irritated and with the red eyes, we can use this one, right?
Yes, correct, sir.
Sure.
Sometime
What?
we do some chipping in the sailing and then coming the dust. Don't forget, use Insto product from Indonesian.
Bravo!
Fuck you.
Now it's starting getting shy, ano. This one will watch this video. We're gonna watch your wife someday and your children ba.
Yes, sir.
I will put it in YouTube, this one. So we have some souvenir here, remembrance while working here on board with this pandemic. Right?
Right?
Oh, I'm right. Yes, sir.
Check it out! Come back! The real! The YouTuber!
Hey, but this one I did not yet finish, Young.
Yeah, you can
Hey.
check everywhere, sir.
I will check everywhere. Oh, what's this ones? Although, this one is expensive ah. Lacoste. Lacoste.
I found this one from incinerator, sir.
Ado, yeah? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Did you throw this one?
Yeah. How many issues he threw in the incinerator? But I get, maybe I'm lucky, I get the
This
good,
one?
The good product.
So this one is free.
Yes.
Free of charge.
Yeah.
Still good.
You like, sir?
No, thank you, my friend. This one's yours.
No, you can take it, sir. I can find another suit in the incinerator.
Hey, you have what is this?
This is for her. If you coming wet, you're using this and then coming with black.
This one is hair color.
Yes, black color.
Black color from Indonesia. And then what I found here is this one. What is the use of this one? Why you have big Vaseline here?
This
For That's why this guy.
no more material, business tour. No. I
Oh,
put this
what?
one in the incinerator, sir.
Oh.
Because sometimes, if the weather little bit cool, I use this one for my lips. Yeah, I use this one for my lips.
smell ah.
Yes.
Hey, this guy. Ilocano.
Naimbag nga rabi iyo amin di na po. Ano yung baga? Sigiraw yung. Ano yung baga?
Okay, I will pass to your cabin later on. But you need to go to the bridge or what?
No, I need to go rest now. If
Okay.
you ask me something, ask me now.
Okay. So enjoy your day. Have a good night.
No, you will extend until 17.
Because
Hey.
20 lessons until not working.
I like to stay on board.
Huh?
I like to stay on board.
No, you need to go home. You need
No.
to refresh your mind.
Expired. You are
Ah.
expired
No,
already.
no.
You are expired.
No.
You are expired.
Nutella. I'm looking for Nutella for the bridge ah. No, thank you.
3 kilogram. 3 oh.
I didn't eat this one.
3 oh.
The expired is until December.
No, I bring this to the bridge ah.
Yeah.
You don't like?
No.
Because we are looking no more in the bridge because we order in Kambusa.
Oh.
Wala.
Just tell to
They don't
just
have-
tell to some officer there. He must be pay around $5. In Amban, my friend never free.
Meron siya, bawal ni $6 sa SRP.
Now,
Hey.
you can buy when you can buy this one.
Nothing.
That's why.
Hey, but this one.
Okay guys, good night.
Good night.
You subscribe Charlie's
Fusri.
vlog ah.
Don't like
Charlie's vlog. Don't forget to click here. Good night. Good night everybody.
Good night.
Bye.
All right. Hey. So that's it. We already know what's the use of this one. This one also for skin protectant
Yeah.
Right?
I just use for my lips.
for your lips only.
Yes. Sometimes if you are cold
Oh,
and coming like broken in my lip, I using this.
you will
one.
use this one.
Sometimes I get the balm lips in the medical,
Oh,
but this one not suitable with our skin.
it's not good.
Yeah.
Also, me when I use this one, it's coming.
More scratch, no?
Yeah.
And then
No
little bit
good.
like hard in the lips.
Yeah,
That's
in
why
the
better
breathing.
using this one.
Mhm.
I found this one before LA.
So I think there's no more. Nothing.
Nothing answer.
Nothing special, eh? Okay. Let's check the bathroom. So bathroom is really good.
The garden's
Hey.
the garden's still in the laundry, sir.
Okay. It's clean. So it's perfect. They say it's perfect. Alright.
Second clue ron,
This one.
Second clue ron.
Hey, yo.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, yo.
Thank you very much for your kindness and for letting me in your cabin.
You are welcome, yo.
So that's it.
Don't
for today.
forget, I will tell you. Like and subscribe channel Charlie Bruce Lee. Yo, man.
Okay, Young.
Thank you. You're welcome, yo.
So I already done. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Alright. Good night. Sige, thanks mate.
Oh, nice.
Alright, I think it's good. Good to know we have a friend like these guys. So we'll check the other guy here.